911, what is the address of the emergency?
My husband is breaking into my house, and he has
Okay, what's the address?
Salt Lake City.
Okay, repeat that for verification. What is his name?
Christian Thomas Allen. He has threatened to kill me. He just broke through the house.
Okay, where are you at exactly?
In my son's room. Where's Nova?
Okay, and he does not live there?
No, he doesn't. I have a protective order.
Okay, I already got this in. What is your name really quick?
Chris.
And your phone number?
Huh?
Do you know if he has any weapons on him?
I don't know. No, just stay. Just stay.
How many other people are in the home with you?
I have 2 kids.
Okay, how old are they?
Lock the door. No, they said to.
How old are they?
15 and 17.
Okay. Do you know if he arrived on foot or in a vehicle?
I don't know I don't know how he got here.
Okay. What kind of vehicle does he drive?
He doesn't. Just
okay.
leave the light off.
Can you hear him in the house?
Is he in the house?
No, it doesn't sound like.
No, it doesn't. No.
Okay, no, where did he enter from?
He's trying to enter from the back door.
Okay, so earlier you said that he had gone into the house. Is that not accurate?
No, I don't think that he got into the house. He broke.
Okay.
He's in the house.
He is in the house?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Are you in a room that you guys can lock the door?
Yes, it's locked.
Okay. Is that him talking in the background?
Yes.
Okay. Are both of your kids in the room with you?
Yes. He says he's going to light the house on fire.
Get out!
Okay, I've got a unit on the way. Let me know if anything changes, okay?
He's trying to break down the door.
That's what you get. This is what you get. You think you can lie to me? While you're the setup? Ah! You shut me up. You lie to me. All of you. You get a new family. And now this is what you get. You should have told the truth. Liar.
Okay, I've got multiple units coming to you, okay?
Okay.
Do you have anything in the room to defend yourself if you need to?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
My boys do.
I know you're crazy. You look, you're not going to get time. You did this. You didn't have to, but you did. And you want to send me to prison. You've been coming in your fucking time for you.
What is that smell? He's got gasoline in the house.
Okay, like with him?
Yes.
Okay.
He is called like.
Okay, is the room that you guys are in, is it on the floor or the second level?
It's on the main floor.
Okay. Is there a window in there that you can get out if he does start a fire?
Yes.
Okay.
Why did you do this? Why did you do this? Why? Because you wanted to get me out of the house and you have everything to yourself.
Are you able to tell what he is doing?
He's yelling.
Just yelling? Okay. Can you tell or like can you hear at all if he's dumping the gasoline out? Okay.
Did he spill the gas?
Oh, and you're at.
Yes.
Okay, I have.
Hurry, please. I don't want that.
I've got one right around the corner and a bunch more on the way. Okay. And they're all getting to you as quick as they can.
You got my little today. Went down to Chevron and put gasoline all over myself. Now I got gasoline all over me. I'm gonna light myself on fire. Got the house. You want to go from the house?
Please hurry.
Okay, I know they're getting as fast as they can. Okay.
Please hurry.
They are going lights and sirens. They are getting there as fast as they can.
You tell me. You're not going to hurt you guys. Nobody listens.
I'm just listening to what he's saying. I'm relaying all this information to my units, okay?
Yep. He has a gas can. The gas can is going to explode.
Okay. Is he lighting?
No, he's not doing anything right now.
Okay.
But we can smell the gas.
Okay.
Oh, he said he put gas on himself.
Yes, I heard that. My partners have also started the fire department, so if anything does happen, they're already staging and on standby, okay?
Okay.
Can you hear where he's at? I can't hear him anymore.
He's in the house. Yes. Is he in your room? He went. There's 2 bedrooms. We were in the back bedroom.
Okay.
It's right by the cooler in the backyard.
Okay. And is he just right outside your guys' door?
Yes.
Okay.
One!
Our unit's here.
I have one unit that is there. He had visual of Christian when he walked into the living room. I've got another unit. He is right around the corner. He's just passing right now. So as soon as at least one more unit is there, they should approach the house, okay? I'm going to stay on the phone with you until they are either with you or they ask me to have you come to the front door, okay?
Okay.
Do you know if the front door is unlocked?
It's locked.
Okay. Do you have should the back door be open then?
How did he get in? We think he got in through the back door.
Okay.
What? Run up the stairs.
Can you tell what he's doing at all?
I don't know. He's in the house.
Okay.
He's in Striker's room.
He's in your room?
He's in my son's room, my other son's room.
Okay.
X-ray 136, copy the plate, X-ray 191, Echo, it's in the driveway. Hey, please! He's in his front living room. I cannot see any of the kids with him. Police department! Roll right up to the house here. I think it's here. He was in this front. He ran over there. We need one, at least two, to cover the back. I don't know. I haven't seen him. He said they went in the back. I'm assuming he's going to bail out the back.
Okay. I'm going to go sit around the back.
Hey. Contain the front. Go to the back. This guy, right here. He was in this room.
Yeah, 2963?
Yeah.
On the front? Back door's open. Never mind, just the storm door.
There's the window right there. He went in the basement.
Oh, there's active kicking down.
Nope. Was that our front door? Did we kick the door?
Sorry, 453, there's active kicking doors in the basement.
Do it. Do it. Hey. Police department!
Police! Police!
Get on the f***ing ground! Drop the knife! Drop the f***ing knife! Shots fired! Hey, hold the basement.
Hey, I got the basement. You guys practicing downstairs.
Right here.
He's right here. Hey,
right here.
hold the back. Hold the way out.
Hey, we're extracting people out. This way.
Got it.
Hey, you guys, we're into the basement. Go. Wait outside.
Hold him.
Hey,
Basement's not clear, guys. Basement's not clear.
Basement is not clear.
I have the knife.
Okay. I'll hold the basement, so I'll cuff him up. Look, and you and I go clear the basement. You're gonna hold this spot right here.
Yep, you got it.
Okay, you guys cuff him up. We're gonna clear this spot. We're good. Solid police,
Thank-
everybody go.
No hands.
Always going up.